the stifling heat of a summer's evening, window open to the sounds in the air, I can hear the engines in the railway sidings, shunting the wagons bound for who knows where. First an urgent chuff like a panting dog, then a silence, then a crash, as an errant truck is forced back into order in its rightful place on the railway track. Sounds of the night drifting in through my bedroom window, sounds of the night, I remember now they're gone. Half awake, half asleep, what's that sound that I'm hearing? Like the distant drumming of a marching band, growing ever louder in the still early morning, waking me from the dream world of another land. Now I realize that it's the sound of the lumpers as they trek through what little of the night remains. All the fish unloaded hear their clocks click-clacking as they're making their weary way back home again. Sounds of the night drifting in through my bedroom window, sounds of the night, I remember now they're gone. There's another sound that I still can remember, I'd sometimes hear it in my room at night. It's the sound of the trawler's siren sounding in the channel out by the wire line. Could be a cry of hope from a ship that's sailing out to far-off fishing grounds and icy foam, or the sigh of relief at the safe returning of a loved one back to his native home. Sounds of the night drifting in through my bedroom window, sounds of the night, I remember now they're gone. Sounds of the night drifting in through my bedroom window, sounds of the night, I remember now